I want to play different game. I'll play different game. Different game. I know. We'll play different.
She's got bronchitis. The left hand is congested. Right side. That's what she's saying.
That's why the breathing.
He did it. Oh my God. Well, can I put it down?
This one. Okay.
First you put the lemon in. No, you already got. Yeah.
Should keep it cool?
Yes. Take the shoes off.
No. Hey. This is about this one.
Say us. Good girl, yes.
Okay. Thanks.
Alright.
So it's a bit of that. Not very right. So yes, sir. It's just the chest.
Wow. That's not.
She's got
I pick a boy.
when there's like regular breathing,
Breathing is not normal.
yeah, breathing is not normal. So when that happens, we have to be some maintenance as well.
Wrong one.
Like the buffer.
For what? To help the breathe.
Yeah. Open the lymphatic and stuff.
This is not normal.
Yeah.
Could be a problem at night.
Yeah, that's the thing. So, I mean, the best option is hospital.
Alright my dear, we'll see how you go. If we don't get well, we're going to have to hold you. Here we go. So what we'll do is if you sit it in the middle of your belly, pointing straight out, then legs between yours, lock them in, and there we go. There we go.
Okay, good girl. Yeah, good girl. That's it. Same, nothing there. That's
One
it.
breath.
Good girl.
2, 3 fishies, 4 fishies, 5 fishies. You gonna help me out? We'll do doggies this time. 1 doggy,
Okay. Good girl.
2 doggies, 3 doggies, 4 doggies.
Good girl. That's it.
Birdies,
Yeah.
3 birdies, 4 birdies. 1 doggy. So 2 more to go, and then that's it. 2 more. 2 more.
Good girl.
All done. Good job. Nice and long.
What is it, 38?
39.5.
39.5.
Here we go again. I'm not 100% sure if it's doing anything.